Hi, and welcome to Rejuvime Medical. I'm Katie, and I'm so glad you're here. If you found this video, you're probably looking for answers about your energy, your mood, or maybe just wanting to feel like yourself again. You're not alone, and you're in the right place. At Rejuvime, we focus on personalized care that starts from the inside out. Every new patient begins with a comprehensive lab panel and provider consultation. Your lab panels give your provider a full view of your hormone levels and other vital markers, so we can create a plan tailored just for you. While you don't have to fast before your labs, it is recommended for the most accurate results. If you choose to fast, just avoid food and drink, anything but water for 8 hours before your appointment. Most lab visits take 20 to 30 minutes. Getting started is simple, and you can choose the option that feels right for you. Using the form on this page, you'll have 3 ways to get started. If you're ready to schedule your initial lab appointment, we'll provide you with a direct scheduling link. Just choose the clinic nearest you, then select the day and time that works best for your schedule. If you'd like to learn more before scheduling, that's completely fine. Answer a few quick questions about your goals and interests, and we'll send you helpful information so you can make an informed decision when you're ready. Or if you prefer to speak with someone directly, give us a call. Our patient support team is happy to answer your questions and help you take the next step. At Rejuvime, we offer a 20% discount if you book online. Once your appointment is processed in our system, you'll receive a follow-up text with a secure link to prepay. Enter your information, apply the discounted price, and you're all set. Before you leave, we will schedule your follow-up consultation with one of our providers. Usually it's about a week later. At that appointment, your provider will sit down with you, walk through your lab results, and talk about your goals. There's no pressure, just honest insight and a plan designed around you. One last note, and we get asked this a lot. Rejuvime is a concierge clinic. That means we don't accept insurance, but you can use your HSA or FSA funds for care. You're making a great choice, and we're here to support you through every part of this journey. If you're ready to get started, click below to get scheduled right now. If you still have questions before scheduling, just give us a call at 225-960-1580 to speak with one of our team members. We're so excited to be a part of your health journey. You've got this, and we've got you.